And this is your adhesive back Dacron. I'm going to grab my X-Acto knife. There's my X-Acto knife, and on one side is paper. The other side, I don't know whether you can hear this or not, but a little zippy sound, that's the Dacron. Fold that towards you, this direction, and fold this tab over. Unfold it. Peel back that half of the Dacron, fold the paper under. Just like that. Fold that under. We now have the adhesive face going down to the sail. Hold the fabric, hold the Dacron and the paper touching the Tyvek, and we can slide that around. Bring that down so that we're 3 millimeters from the end of the sail. Line the creases up here. Tap the Dacron down. Fold this over. Peel back to expose just that half. Fold everything back. Fold the paper back. Bring the adhesive down to the sail. Tap it. Bring this over. Peel the paper off of the tab. Now have the adhesive tab sticking up. Hold that down. Fold your sail, the leading edge that we're going to create the pocket with, that we creased and folded over. So now we're going to fold that over here. And now we can press down there. So now we have the start of our leading edge pocket reinforcement. Create a pocket for our spar. And it's nice reinforced Dacron, so the spar will not push out and break out of the corner under pressure.